In 1893, two bicycle mechanics, Charles Duryea and J. Frank, made history. They designed the first successful American gasoline automobile. This groundbreaking vehicle was sold in 1896 as the first American-made gas-powered car. Between 1899 and 1909, around 485 companies entered the automotive market. However, it was Henry Ford who captured attention in 1906. He introduced the Model N, hailed as a significant low-cost motorcar powered by a gas engine. In 1913, Ford revolutionized the industry with the assembly line. This innovation allowed mass production and led the U.S. to produce 75% of the world's motor vehicles that year. The Dodge brothers joined the competition in 1914 with the Model 30. Then, in 1925, Walter Chrysler founded the Chrysler Corporation. By the late 1920s, General Motors introduced planned obsolescence. This strategy shifted focus from function to cosmetic changes, encouraging consumers to upgrade before a vehicle was unusable. In 1931, Chevrolet's A Independence 6 outsold Ford, challenging the market. Ford responded in 1932 with the affordable V8 vehicle, the Model 18 Volts 8. The innovation continued, and in 1953, Chevy introduced the Corvette Roadster, America's first sports car, inspired by the British Jaguar XK120. After the Great Depression and World War II, competition dwindled, leaving the Big Three, Chrysler, Ford, and General Motors as major players in the automotive industry. In recent years, Tesla has emerged, championing the production of electric vehicles in the U.S. auto industry. This brief history highlights the evolution of automobiles and the ongoing impact of innovation and competition. Remember, these changes continue to shape the way we drive today. Explore more about the fascinating world of cars.